in the weekend, but then I lost a sprint and race. So I would like to do a good job. I think the work done in Brno will help here also. But we need to consider the condition and the forecast, because it's saying that the weather will be very hot and could change a bit the work to do. But I'm quite confident. I love the track. I love the way the bike this year is working. So I think if we will do another step compared to Brno, we can fight for a win.
Pecco, best of luck to you and the team here this weekend. That's enough from me. Motogp Social coming up later, but I'm sure there are plenty of questions from the media. Thank you very much.